All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Pulse Wave Report. This is our pre-market report for trading on Sunday evening into Monday's trading. We used to do these videos at the end of every day, but we've changed our schedule. So the schedule is different now. This will be available for our pro members on a daily basis. But for YouTube, we're doing this once a week. We're doing it on a Sunday, since Sunday starts the trading week off. All right, so let's see here. There's so much going on, but we're just gonna stick to, you know, what we're doing. So let me just pull up the charts here. The reports are still running. They should be up and ready to post by the end of the video. So that's just FYI there too. All right, I'm multitasking. I'm learning how to do this with two different platforms. Okay, so Trade Room should be able to follow along too now, and vice versa with YouTube. Okay, so the first chart we have here is our Bitcoin futures. So as you can see here, this market has a bearish trend momentum reading. So that means it's in the sell the rally mode. We had a crash alert on Friday, and the market basically gave us just a little bit of downside production and kind of ended on a flat note. And so the system is still in the sell the rally mode here in your Bitcoin, as this market should come back and correct at minimum to the top of the Kumo cloud here. And that's at minimum. All right, that'll be 31,017. So we're expecting the 31,000 support to come into play here, which is the old resistance back here. All right. And really, that's more so like 32,000 to, so we'll just say 32,000. So 32,000 should become the new support if Bitcoin's going to make it and take out 40,000. So 32 needs to be tested on this pullback, meaning that prices should not, you should not have any consecutive closes below 32, but you should be able to pull back to at least 32. And then we'll see where the market goes from there if it's still going to run. All right, the next one is XRP Ripple, bearish trend momentum reading. You're in the sell the rally mode here as this market is into a wide Kumo cloud here. So expecting a extended period of consolidation in XRP Ripple. All right, and with wheat has a bearish trend momentum reading, or at least it had it. Now you have a bullish trend momentum reading. The market it already hit the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is the initial upside target. But now you got another rally alert happening below the Kumo cloud. Maybe the market's going to try to give one last push and get back above $6 a bushel. So we'll see what happens. But you do have a rally alert for Monday for wheat. And soybeans, you got a bullish trend momentum reading as well, and a positive bot check rally alert happening just shy of the upside target here. So this market, this next upsurge could get it above the top of the Kumo cloud, which is above 1330. All right, so this could things could be heating up here a little bit as we're moving deeper into the last quarter of the year. Corn has a bullish trend momentum reading, and it looks like it's going to try to give another push too to get up to the top of the Kumo cloud here, which will be around $5.20 a bushel. All right, and also what up to John and Mick and Kurt in the live stream? What up? Thanks for smashing that like button. All right, bearish trend momentum reading still in the silver. All right, and it's still under the auspices of a crash alert. So I believe this market will be looking to pull back further and take out the $22 support and proceed to fall. Next up is Nat Gas, bullish trend momentum reading. We just had the contract roll over to the new contract now, so perhaps it was higher than the prior month, so that's helping to give this market a little boost here. So $4 is the upside target for your nat gas. We'll see if it can get strong enough to make it. Next up is your Dow Futures bearish trend momentum reading, crossed over officially into a bear market, and you see this market is in a free fall at this time. If the 32,000 psychological support does not hold, it should be a fast drop to 31 and even below 30,000. Yeah, it's getting real lively here in your Dow. NASDAQ, weird here. Now, it has not officially crossed over into a bear market like the Dow, and it's even giving you a rally alert for Sunday night into Monday's trading. It's giving an actual rally alert. Is this thing going to try to get back up here toward the bottom of the Kumo cloud? It's looking like it's going to try. So you got a possibility of a 700-point rally coming in the NASDAQ. Maybe earnings is helping that. I don't know, but I just go by what the system's saying. Take a look at gold. Gold is locked in bull market, bullish trend momentum reading. It's trying to run. It got above 2,000 on Friday's trading. So the next stop now is the old highs up here. All right. So 2,100 is the upside target. Can it do it? Can it do it? Next up is your S&P 500. It's in a free fall. You got a bearish trend momentum reading too. This thing is just in a free fall status. 4,100 is a psychological support, but the true psychological support is 4,000. So this market is in free fall. Next up is crude oil. Crude oil has a bullish trend momentum reading, bull market. So it's in a locked in bull market. You had a rally alert coming into Friday's trading. Market did give you a little bit of a bounce before pulling back into the close. Top of the Kumo cloud up here is the initial upside target for this, and that looks to be around the $87.41 mark, somewhere around there. That's the initial target on your oil. On the euro, we had a crash alert coming into Friday. Market kind of just moved sideways for the remainder of the day. And now we have a possible algo shift coming here. Looks like this market's going to try to run now. So interesting turn of events. Not saying that that's exactly going to happen, but you can't ignore alerts. And an algo shift is a major alert saying that even though you have the bearish trend momentum reading, which means you're in the sell the rally mode, there's a possibility that the market may have put in a short-term temporary support. All right, like it did back here, put in a temporary support, and then it rallied, right? Same thing back here. Then it rallied. And you had that negative bot check, gave you a downdraft, negative bot check, a little bit of down move. Market's more so consolidating here, but still has a downward bias because you're in a locked-in bear market. All right, pound sterling also giving signs that the market may have kind of like based out here, put in a little short-term top. Bearish trend momentum reading means sell the rally mode. Well, the market needs to get a technical bounce in order to have that rally to sell. So looks like the market's going to try to put in some type of a technical bounce, some type of a rally from which the bears can come in and sell from. All right, next up is your Aussie. Aussie has a bullish trend momentum reading, a rally alert for Sunday night into Monday. Is looking like the bottom of the Kumo cloud here. We'll call this, what is this? This is, I want to say 66.35 is the top here. And right below here, we'll call this 64.51. So 64.51 would be the initial upside target on this Aussie. All right, let's see here. Russell also crossed into that bear territory, took out the old support here, and continues to be in a free fall. So you're in a locked in bear market in the Russell. And it looks like it's like no end in sight here in this Russell. Copper is a bullish trend momentum reading. The market's trying to give you upside production from the rally alert. You got 3 days in since the rally alert. Bottom of the Kumo cloud here at $3.75 is the initial upside target for your copper. All right, U.S. dollar index. It's in a locked-in bull market. We have back-to-back positive bot checks, but we don't have a huge upsurge yet, and it's saying that the market is really struggling, hitting a wall of resistance at current price levels. I still think this is going to give one last push to the 108. I called 108 a very long time ago, back when the market was at its most bearish, and now here we are with the market moving. So dollar looks strong here, folks. All right, Ethereum futures has a crash alert as well with a bearish trend momentum reading. Bottom of the Kumo cloud here is going to be the target around that 1600 mark. All right, folks. So there you have it. I hope everyone's having an awesome weekend. Nice, relaxing one. I'm about to go and relax because I am tired. I've been going hard since early this morning. You just don't even know. Working on the pulse waves now. They should be up and completed in a few minutes. So hang tight, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.